Namaskar. I am Dr. R.K. Dwivedi, Principal Dalmia Vidya Mandir, Rajganjpur. I am very happy to share you a very important tips for the success story and how to manage the stress. So here, very important to know about the stress management. It is a very important for every child. So I will start with the ABC of stress management. A stand for always take time for yourself at least 30 minutes per day. This means that if a child can start doing yoga, pranayam, some kind of exercise, it always helps to make healthy mind and healthy body. B. B stand for be aware of your own stress meter. Know when to step back and cool down. So this is also one exercise which can be very helpful for you to reduce your stress. C stands for concentrate on controlling your own situation without controlling everybody else. So it means that we should always control ourselves instead of expecting from others. D. D stands for daily exercise will burn off the stress chemicals. E for eat lot of fruits, fresh foods, veggies, breads and water. Give your body the best for it perform at least the best. F is forgive others. Don't hold grudges and be tolerant. Not everyone is capable of you. G. Gain personal perspective on things. How important it is issue, that does not matter, but you always gain perspective on things. H. Hugs, kisses and laughter. Have fun and don't be afraid to share your feelings with others. I. Identify stressors and plan to deal with them better next time. J. Judge your own performances. Realistic. Don't set goals out of your own reach. K. Keep a positive attitude. Your outlook will influence outcomes and way others treat you. L. Limit alcohol, limit drugs, any other stimulant that affect your perceptions and behavior. M. Manage money well, manage money and time well, seek advice and save at least 10% of whatever you earn or whatever you manage your time for your body. And no is a word you need to learn to use without feeling guilty. No. N means no is a word you need to learn to use without feeling guilty. O. Outdoor activities by yourself or with friends or with family can be a great way of relax. P. Play your favorite music rather than watching television or any activity which you like most, whether it is a music or dance or anything, you can play that instead of watching television. Q. Anything which is very harmful for your body, like smoking or anything, bad habits. So quit that to reduce the stress daily, not to mention killing you too. R. Relationships. Nurture and enjoy them. Learn to listen more and talk less. S. Sleep well with the firm mattresses and supportive pillow. Don't overheat yourself and allow plenty of ventilation. T. Treat yourself once a week with a message, dinner out, and the movies. Moderation is a key of reducing the stress. You understand things from the other person's point of view. We verify information from these sources before exploding. W. Worry less. It really does not get things completed better or quicker. X. Express. Make a regular retreat to your favorite space. Make holidays part of your yearly plan and budget it. Why? Yearly goal setting. It is the most important plan which we should always make a goal setting plan. What you want to achieve it. So if you plan properly, automatically your stress will be lesser. Z. Just for life. Each day is a gift. Smile and thankful that you are part of the bigger picture. So, my dear children, friends, let us follow these alphabets of stress management to have a less stressful life and more enjoyable moments. Thank you very much. Namaste.